Hello, dear ladies, gentlemen, subscribers, not subscribers, just visitors of my channel. Right now I'm just, again, not in time to prepare to see if my stream is started successfully. It says it starts, so yeah. Oh, I need to switch to main camera. Cool. Okay, it would be okay. Today is 11th day of my 152-day challenge. Let me see this phone. Okay, so I verified that everything is on and is good. So let's start. I often have some candles on my desk, and after I got USB lighter, I couldn't resist and use it all the time. We used to so many USB-C things in our life, so there are a lot of chargers, power banks, all the devices like kitchen, any lighting devices, etc., not even explicitly connected to computers, laptops, or even phones. More and more things are USB powered and USB lighter. Yeah, like that. You just switch it on, it shows its charging level, and you click. Yeah, I don't know if it's visible. Yeah, you see, maybe you hear. So yeah, and it's produce some electricity. So after that you just need to raise it, yeah, and try to fire the candle whisk. Okay, yeah, now it's on. So creating a romantic atmosphere here. Also, we still haven't switched to our main topic. A quick side topic. Let me see how we can say lyric delay in English. Where is my window? Oh no, here it is. So let me transition and let's go to how to say, oh, it's Ukrainian. How to say, okay, lyrical digression. Let's see, reversa. Sometimes it's proposed something more interesting. No, actually it's lyrical digression. So retreat. Okay, so a small lyrical digression. What if I try to okay, Microsoft Translator. Let's see if it's actually cool. Lyrical digression. Okay. And does it provide any kind of dictionaries in English for that? Define Okay, digression, lyrical digression. Yeah, new word for me. I'm not native. So, a small lyrical digression about kids. Um, yeah, I'm the only viewer, so it's fine. Put put your hi in the chat, ask your question, or just send a short message if you join the stream. It would be so much nice to hear from you. So, a small lyrical digression about my working day. So today I was at work and have some conversation with one of my colleagues. He's a very man full of wisdom and he is a beautiful parent. He's Indian. And we talk about kids and he said that he actually not allowing his son many social media. His son is finishing high school this year, so it's pretty grown. And he allow him only few of social media where he speak with his friends, something like Discord, WhatsApp, maybe Telegram, but not Instagram or TikTok, any of that. And it's because he thought that in those social media people just showcase how successful they are, which creates which creates not a good feelings from like usual people, normal people. They start thinking about how to be the same successful as other or just be like those people, etc. And it makes them unhappy. It takes them the time away and makes them much more unhappy. Let's say that. Yeah, don't have enough word to describe all of that. But at the same time we talked and that at some points of time you need to release those restrictions, because if you will continue to restrict something to a pretty grown kids, you most probably will lose any authority, because anyway even most the parents with most wisdom in the world will lose in some cases authority of their children, because their children will look elsewhere, some advices, some wisdom, etc. They will they don't have access to Instagram or TikTok, but have to YouTube, they will find in YouTube. No YouTube, they will find in Facebook. No Facebook, they will find it anywhere, like in ChatGPTs or in other cases. ChatGPT, by the way, not the worst case, but anyway. So kids will search somewhere, and it's, I'd say, natural, and because they need to work out their own wisdom, or at least work out something they understanding that their parents actually wish them good and wisdom enough to give some advice, and those advice something they should listen to. So there is always that period of time, and parents shouldn't miss that period. They should release their restrictions or explain very wisdomly, very calmly why they are, and they should be very understandable. So like, don't beat anyone, because it's do people harm. Don't use very bad words, because it's create not cozy atmosphere at home, but you can use them if you're alone. It's not a problem, it's just bad words, and so on and so on. There are multiple examples. And yeah, so otherwise you're risking that your kids just will go away and will never treat you as advisor. So they will not listen to your wisdom and they will not understand you. Of course you can't understand them, because again we are at different level. different level of age, but different level of experience, everything. What can help if you support them on their way of finding what is good, what is bad, and at least, okay, you should have your opinion, of course, but you shouldn't put it every time, anywhere. I mean, in every situation, etc., etc., because otherwise kids stop sharing something with you and stop talking with you, etc., etc., because I understand, okay, my father never understands that. And yeah, there is some gap between children and parents, and something which parents already don't treat as anything important. Kids, it's maybe much more important, and they understand that. Yeah, I've been there, and only wisdom from my wife helped me pass that period more or less calmly, and yeah, save relationship with my kids. And yeah, even now when they are grown enough, when they near completion their graduation from college, I still could talk to them. They could see me as a good advice, etc., etc. Again, maybe in some families, kids very respectful all the time. In our family, they were respectful, but we put a lot of effort into that, especially in supporting their decisions, even if they are not good from our understanding. At least not too bad, let's say that. So everyone deserves to do their own path of their own wisdom. So yes, it was some small lyric. I again forget that word. Let me remember. It's lyric digression. Okay, it was a small lyric digression, and let's return back to what we've done last time. So we very close to prepare. Okay, to prepare to something, to some results, to create in our first video which would be helpful, and then we can change topic and talk about something else. We can do something else not related to programming, ChatGPT, video creation, etc., etc. So we can do whatever we want. But right now we are creating a video which we call like how to utilize ChatGPT help to create a beautiful shorts from our full videos on YouTube. Of course we can shorten the name, but yeah. So what we have so far, we know how to download a YouTube video. Probably we need to write like that. Okay, YouTube video with and let's say that, or from YouTube Studio, which is very simple, or from, or using YouTube download DLP. Let's quickly check if it's the same tool. Yeah, looks like it's the same tool. So like that. Here we need to prepare exact command to download a video in MP3 format. Have another command to download just full video. We need full video to cut it and edit in some editing software, of course. So okay, I see that I'm losing a lot of signal, a lot of frames, and probably I'm losing because of okay, let's and actually it's nice that nobody watching. Okay, now it says that it's much better. Interesting. I have some network devices which should create much better use Wi-Fi coverage in my home. I just don't have time to install them, setting them up, configure them, and so on. They should increase quality of my overall network in my home, especially Wi-Fi network, which everyone using. I don't think anybody using wired Ethernet because basically we don't have any ports. Okay, and now again I see some issues. Okay, maybe the universe telling us that we shouldn't should finish that stream early. Then today the whole stream basically was stream of lyric digression when we did when we talked about something else, not what we planned before, but it's fine. We are going using small step to our video, how to download video from YouTube, transcribe it, using ChatGPT to create something for this video. So we will do all of that, and then we create video from it, and that video which we use the same technique to create some shorts from that video, and after that it would be helpful for someone. So also I'll try to restart my router till tomorrow, so hopefully we don't have such issues anymore. Not anymore, but at least during next stream, not translation. Okay, ladies, gentlemen, and just curious guys or curious girls, see you next time. Hopefully you will have a good time of the day, evening, day, night, or morning, and of course I wish you to have coziness in your heart. Okay, let me find my mouse. Here it is. Okay, bye.